New construction home only 2 short blocks to the bay. Open floor plan boasting of a natural gas fireplace in the family room. Gourmet kitchen with soft close cabinets, drawers, doors, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, dishwasher and microwave, with an oversized island. Master bedroom with a large walk-in closet and luxury master bathroom with a titled shower with/custom glass enclosure. Large laundry room. Flooring includes hardwood throughout the main living area, ceramic in all the bathrooms and laundry room, carpet in bedrooms and upper hall. 2-car attached garage with opener. Storage room on first floor adjacent to the 2-car garage.